In this lesson, we are going to rotate geometric shapes given on a coordinate plane. We'll be rotating clockwise, the direction the hand moves on a clock, and counterclockwise, opposite the direction of the hand moves in the clock. We'll be rotating 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. Recall, rotating 90 degrees, we turn our paper physically one time. Rotating 180 degrees, we turn our paper physically 2 times. Rotating 270 degrees, we turn our paper physically 3 times. Graph the image of the figure using the transformation given. Rotation 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. So we are going to rotate triangle WXY 90 degrees clockwise. We are going to turn our paper one time only in the direction the clock moves. When we rotate our pre-image 90 degrees clockwise, this is where our image will end up. The coordinate for W prime will be -5, 3. The coordinate for Y prime will be -2, 2. The coordinate for X prime will be -1, 4. In the question given, pre-image triangle WXY rotated clockwise. When we rotate the triangle WXY clockwise, we get the image in red, the triangle W prime, X prime, Y prime. In this example, it's asking us to rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin. We are rotating triangle FGH. Counterclockwise, we are going to rotate it opposite the direction of the clock. We turn our paper one time counterclockwise. So now the coordinate of our image is G prime is -5, -3, F prime is -2, -3, H prime is -2, 1. So in the question, we rotated triangle FGH 90 degrees counterclockwise. We got the image triangle F prime, G prime, and H prime in red. Rotation 180 degrees about the origin, clockwise or counterclockwise doesn't matter. We are going to rotate triangle FGH, our pre-image, 180 degrees. 180 degrees is turning your paper physically 2 times. Clockwise or counterclockwise, they will end up at the same place. So 110 is 90 degrees, 210 is 180 degrees. When triangle FGH was rotated 180 degrees, the pre-image ends up here in this quadrant. The coordinate for F prime is 5, -3, G prime is 4, -5. H prime is 0, -5. When we rotated the pre-image triangle FGH 180 degrees, it ended up in the fourth quadrant and the image in red. Now we are going to rotate triangle CDE 270 degrees clockwise about the origin. So we're going to physically turn the paper 3 times in the direction the clock moves. So we know 110 is 90, 210 is 180, and 310 is 270 degrees. So once we rotate the triangle CDE, our pre-image, we have the image triangle C prime, D prime, and E prime. The coordinate for C prime is -2, -5. Coordinate for E prime is -1, -2. Coordinate for D prime is -4, -5. So we see as we rotated triangle CDE clockwise 270 degrees, the image ended up in third quadrant, triangle C prime, D prime, E prime. And we are going to rotate figure IJKL 270 degrees counterclockwise about the origin, which means we are going to turn the paper 3 times opposite the direction the clock moves. When we do that, we notice the coordinate for I prime is same as I, it's 0, 0, and the coordinate for L prime is 1, 3, coordinate for K prime is 4, 2, coordinate for J prime is 5, -2. So the figure in red, I prime, J prime, K prime, L prime, is our image that we got after rotating 270 degrees counterclockwise.